Ever seen a lipstick that claims it can magically adjust to your natural lip color, stay perfect through meals, and still keep your lips soft all day? That's exactly what Areliaa Signature Lipstick is promoting, and it has been popping up everywhere with bold claims that sound almost too good to ignore. At first glance, it looks like a premium beauty breakthrough, but once you break down what's actually being advertised, things start to feel a bit more complicated. The color adapting effect, for example, isn't really unique technology. It's most likely just a pH reactive dye that shifts into similar pink or rose tones depending on your skin chemistry, which means the results aren't as customized as they're made to appear. The product is also promoted as both long-lasting and deeply hydrating. But in real-world makeup formulation, those two features usually work against each other, since long-wear pigments often require drying agents that reduce moisture. On top of that, the marketing raises some red flags with claims of being featured in major magazines like Vogue or Marie Claire that don't appear to have any verifiable proof behind them. Many of the testimonials shown online also seem overly polished or repetitive, which makes it hard to confirm if they're genuine customer experiences. The website itself uses common dropshipping tactics like heavy discounts, limited time offers, and bundled deals that create urgency rather than transparency. There are also indications that the same product is being sold under different names across various platforms, which often points to rebranding rather than innovation. Even product images and reviews appear in some cases to be AI-generated or stock-based, adding further uncertainty. Overall, while the lipstick may still function as a basic tinted balm or color-shifting gloss, the gap between marketing promises and realistic performance is noticeable, leaving it in a gray area where buyers should be cautious and manage expectations carefully before making a purchase decision.